Is there gold in here?
Hey guys, Jeff and Lauren here. It's a Sunday, so we're going to some estate sales. We like to hit up the estate sales on the last day because they're generally 50% off. You can get some better deals usually. The estate sales around us usually are pretty high priced, so 50% off is a lot better when we go there. So we'll be going to just a couple. We've seen a couple garage sale signs, so we might stop at a couple of those too. So stick around and see what we find.
Is it half off? You want to go down here first?
It is. Under 50%.
There's quite a few in there.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, do not skip silverware. So this was priced at $20 and we actually got it for $10. It was half off, and you can see how much they're going for in that comp that I just showed.
Like Barbie clothes or something. One guy always picks up those, but I don't know. I don't know if they're actually.
Isn't it?
I don't know how much it is. We could try it.
How much are blankets?
I don't know.
Anything written up?
I do. These two.
Blanket.
I think this was like. It's a 10 then, I think.
That didn't have a special price on it, did it?
I don't think so.
I don't think it did.
I'm gonna sneak behind it.
I believe. Were blankets 3 or 4? I don't remember.
It doesn't matter either way. You can charge me more if you want.
Since it's up to 4, so it's $2.
Okay, sounds good.
And then the flatware was 20, so it's 10.
Okay.
$1,500.
I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's like a don't break it.
It opened.
It opened? What is it?
Beverage cart. See?
That's cool.
Ice cream and all that. maybe,
Yeah.
so.
Very cool. I don't know what I'd use it for. But
Yeah.
Coffee,
I think these are. There's candy.
You could Google Lens it. You want to do that? It's a Chevy. That's a Chevy symbol.
Yeah, but it looks like almost like lifesavers.
All right, this is a pretty crazy find here. There's around 20 of these Chevy dealership candies. You can see that some guy has sold these over 6 times.
Does it fold?
No. Virgin Islands. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
He's talkative. Oh, it is. It does.
Oh, it does.
Keep an eye out for pool cues. I'm going to throw some comps up of some random ones on eBay, but we've definitely sold at least over 10 to 15 different kinds. So they usually go for pretty good money.
But it might work. I don't know. You know what? It's cheap. But it'll work out good.
$8. Dang.
It's like a square.
Yeah, or, small.
Yeah.
Like
It'll fit. It'll work. It can work out. Make it work.
I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell on that one.
These are cool shirts, but they're expensive.
What kind of foot is this?
You know what I'm thinking?
What?
Is that
What do you
the
think?
Dakota pair, was it?
Yeah,
This
probably. I mean, they look very clean, and New Balances are always
God,
good.
you're right.
Background.
Probably worth it. If it's $4.
Yeah.
They're gonna destroy our life.
Well, someone's gonna destroy it.
I mean, it's gonna be regardless. But let's try to. And
Sure.
Oh,
then we definitely know you're not gonna get it.
What's the other hat back there?
Oh, you know what?
That's
Now
good.
that I put two together.
That's
You know
you know
why
what
he does
Mopar
that?
is?
No.
Addition
It's like-
to the garage.
Why?
Because he's a car guy.
It's like
They fixed up old cars there too.
Maybe.
I didn't see any indication of
the
that.
Dodge parts official. So there's nothing in there.
I couldn't look at anything lower.
I know. It's just fun to look at.
Is there gold in here?
If it is, I claimed it. I took my gold.
It's not. It's locked. I don't know what the combo is.
That's
Watch
great.
safe isn't that helpful?
Got that on camera, right?
Yeah,
Gold.
yeah.
I claimed it.
Yep.